I'm back out, guys. I'm out with Colin and I'm out with Marco. Bugsy's working, so I'll show you this little waterfall. Secret waterfall, right? That nobody knows about. We're in the wilderness. I'll give you a look where we are. So we're in this big woodland. It actually reminds me of a rainforest in Australia, right? Look at this. Top secret. If you're watching, John, I bet you can't find this spot. Oh, I nearly slipped down there. Right. How cool does this look? Right, look. Is this not amazing? Amazing! Look. There's Colin down there, look. Old trees. We've got really old growth trees in here. But as always, it's all mines. All mines. Back out, guys. I'm out with Colin and I'm out with Marco. I've got the hot tent out. I've got the big beast of a stove. I can't remember the name of this tent. I do apologise. It's the morzh, that one. I do apologise. I've not had this tent out since the lockdown because of the palaver that's been happening. But that is the hot tent. It's actually a sauna, but you can use it as a hot tent as well, couldn't you, for camping type thing. I've got the camo version. What a cool tent. So I do want to thank morzh. You know I can't pronounce things, but there's the tent. Got the beast of a stove. More steam, Captain, more steam! We'll get that fired up. There we go, look. Here's the tent. Shows big door. It's got the YKK zippers, right? Look. It's probably like about 6 feet by 6 feet. So, awesome tent. There's Marco's tent. Colin's tent over there. Bugsy, if you're watching, he said that he's not bringing the MSR tent out. He's got the Husky tent. Right? So, we'll get that fire blaring. Secret location. We cannot tell you where we are. It's a secret. We've got this huge big waterfall here, right? I'll take you over and I'll show you. Look, we've even got a tree swing. But you know it, I'm going to be swinging in that later, right? I'll bring you back to show you that. Right. If anybody knows where this is, please do not comment. We've got this big waterfall here, look. The falls. Look at that. Is that a picture? So I'll bring you back, guys. Awesome spot. I do want to thank Marco for showing me this little cool spot. Right, you know that I've got to be swinging this, guys, right? Right. I'm hoping it doesn't break. It's a bit frayed. Right, here we go, right? If I fall, break my neck, please send this to You've Been Framed, right? We ready? Well, follow me. I feel famous here.
Will it?
Woohoo! Yeah! Oh! It actually made that kind of noise.
Here, it's spraying at the top, Stuart. Quick, go!
You know I hate heights. I'm actually scared here. Oh, can't get off. I'm stuck. I really am stuck. I'm stuck, guys. Oh no! Help me.
Right, we'll just leave him there. We'll leave him there.
What about rescue?
We'll leave him there for the night.
Like rescue, please. It's no joke. Oh my God, that's what you call extreme.
I just got cracked in the back of the head there.
We're inside the, what would you call it? The Russian. It's, I can never pronounce it right. It's morzh. However you pronounce that. If you're Russian, please let me know, right? But we've got the Russian beast stove. We've got we're all actually spotting the shots here, aren't we? I've not had trousers on.
I'm going camel.
Sorry.
I'm going to.
We've got army man over there, right?
Look, eagle eyes.
We are socially distancing, right?
Yes.
It might look like we're not,
it's
but
the camera
really,
angle.
it's the camera, honestly. Right. We're inside the hot tent. We're just chilling. I've not done much filming, to be honest, right? We're in the tent, we're talking. A little shout out to Ginty. Marco was saying that you like going camping, Ginty. Marco.
Used to.
And Marco says that you've got all the gear. And I said, has Ginty got all the gear but no idea? Marco says no. But that's just me and Colin. We've got all the gear.
No idea.
But no idea. For Big Dave, if you're watching, Dave, all the gear and no idea, right? So chilling in the tent, we're talking as you do when you're out camping.
Putting the world to rights.
Yeah. It's raining as well, guys. I don't know if you can hear that, right? It's to be thunderstorms. But I was just saying, right? My tent's got a leak, right? So if the company's watching, I was looking on the website and I do see there's some kind of waterproof kind of thing.
I think you'll need to get that, Stuart. I think,
Definitely.
I'll be honest, I think they should really send that just to kind of see what it's.
So yeah, I noticed there's some kind of floor thing as well. I do like this tent. There's some kind of ground. I don't know if you can see. Look, this is grass at the moment, right? But there is some kind of ground thing that you can get. So I will need to, hopefully Santa might bring me that. When he brings me that titanium stove that Colin's got, right?
Oh yes.
Colin's brung the stove with him, right?
I have actually got the stove. It's nowhere near the size of that beast. But
The Russian beast.
mine's titanium,
Right.
and it's light.
So
But this thing is a cracker. This thing will be glowing later on. Glowing.
It will be. I call this stove the Russian beast, right? That's just my name for it. There is probably a name for it. I think there's a name on the front of it. What is it called, Colin?
It is intent.
Intent.
Intent and glowing red.
See, my Ollie's Taekwondo instructor always says that to Ollie. Intent. Right? But what are you cooking tonight, Colin?
I'll get some sort of.
Is it usual chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken, peppers, onions.
No peppers tonight, especially on green ones.
I've actually got peppers, but no green peppers.
Cheese covered rolls. I can't tell a lie. I've got a wee bit of healthy stuff. Got a bit of lettuce. I've got some cucumber. I'm trying to remember.
No
what
cakes,
else.
because Bugsy's not
No,
here,
there's
right?
no cakes. But
No
Marco
cakes.
has.
I brought cookies.
He brought cookies. And not just
some
any,
chocolate.
not just any cookies. Special. It's the special
Co-op.
cookies.
You allowed to say that?
I actually watched Carlisle, right? If you're watching John, Carlisle, John and Tim were down some kind of mine, right? Check the video if you've not seen it. But he did bring a cookie out, and I think Tim had says it was a cake, but then John says, no, it's definitely a
No,
cookie.
see what I mean? It's irresistible.
Aye.
All butter, salted caramel cookies.
Yeah, Bugsy,
Or second hand.
Bugsy, we know you're doing the decorating just now, but you're going to be sitting, no cakes, but we do have, or Marco's kindly brought.
nom nom nom.
Nom, nom, nom.
Wish you were here!
Wish you were here!
That's for Derek. Yeah, they're nice looking, aren't they?
They're alright.
I've actually been pretty good this week. So, Colin and Marco, I'll eat them. Do you know what I actually? Do you know what I actually thought?
yeah.
Right,
It'll be
I
lovely
just looked.
with a wee brew later on.
Right, do you know? I just looked and I thought I wasn't recording. But I've noticed that that would have been a pity because Colin does that a lot.
I do.
Take two, take three.
Take two, take three. No
Bugsy.
I don't cut anything out.
Bugsy. I do like this tent. It's nice and big, isn't it?
I should do a shout out for you for rescuing my penknife.
Oh yeah, right.
Shout out for Colin. Marco left his
A
pen.
needle in a haystack, literally.
Right.
So I'll bring you back, guys, right? We're chilling, we're having fun. 3 of us in a tent. It's really not Brokeback Mountain, right?
Wait until you start recording.
Brokeback Mountain, if Eddie's watching, Eddie says he's not seen Brokeback Mountain.
Yes,
but
he has.
Eddie has
He's
seen
got,
it.
he's got all the cowboy stuff at the start, definitely.
Marco, did you watch Eddie's video?
What one?
The last one? What came to your mind, honestly? Be honest. What was your first thought?
I
Brokeback
can't say
Mountain?
it. I can't say it on. I mean, you're going to offend a lot of folk here.
Brokeback Mountain.
Be honest, Marco, right?
Aye,
Eddie's
aye.
watching, right?
I did.
Eddie, Brokeback Mountain.
Definitely.
The music and the cowboy stuff,
Yep.
and it was just
Aye,
like,
yeah. We're beginning to wonder.
we're wondering, Eddie.
We're wondering, Eddie.
We're wondering.
We're wondering
We
about
don't. No, but you can admit it. If
Yeah,
it is,
I mean, you can admit it.
we're accepting.
Right.
Was Eddie not out camping with Julie?
Yes,
and
he was.
Sinclair?
Up the East Coast.
So-
And Eddie, I've not seen your video. I don't know if you've uploaded it yet, but you have told me that I've had 3 shout outs during the cooking part of your video. So I look forward to watching that.
Where's my shout out, Eddie? You need to give me a shout out as well, Eddie. I'm not happy. 3 shout outs to Colin.
Aye, 3
Oh.
no less. 3 no less.
Is that because
Well,
you cooked?
Eddie, 3 no less. But Eddie, next time you're out, and we will be back out, you will eventually get me up a summit camp. But
Get you up your
We'll need to do the Araka
Right.
Alps, Eddie, right?
the Araka Alps, but you will also have to cook the duck curry. You know how you love a duck curry, so we will be expecting you. The next time you're out, you're cooking. Alright? And we're going to hold you to that.
See that duck curry, right? Eddie's not watching, right? But Eddie's been telling me about that duck curry for 5 years, right?
I hear him
Never had
talking about it
I've
all the
given
time.
up. I've given up, right? Johnny's going to cook me that duck curry, Eddie, right?
Yeah,
I've
I
given
reckon
up.
Johnny will cook you.
I've given up, you, Eddie, right? Keep your duck curry.
Hey, never mind curries. Wait to see Marco's pizzas, and we're just any pizzas, stuffed crust pizzas. Oh yes.
Yeah.
And do you know what else Marco's managed to acquire? Slates. That's the next thing.
That'll be a separate
Yes,
video.
that will be a separate video, but there's going to be a bit of slate cooking. That's going to be happening.
Oh yeah, shout out to Andrew. Kent Survival. I messaged Andrew and he messaged me back about he said it'd be a cool video, so shout out to Andrew if you're watching. Thanks for the comment. Went and the secret beach that we went to. So thanks Andrew. Shout out to everybody who's watching.
Yeah.
So yeah, I know I'm palavering now on 8 minutes of palaver here, right? Blah blah blah. So
8 minutes.
8 minutes and 40 seconds. My God. I get people messaging me.
All I want to do is film a penknife, you know what I mean?
Right, so I better go, right? But honestly, have you ever had this message, Colin, right? Somebody says, what can you talk about? I don't know.
Oh, I can talk about anything.
Do you know what I do,
I'm
right?
not going to talk about a penknife
Right,
in
look.
2 minutes.
Look,
and eventually go off.
I just put the camera in front of me and talk, right? Could call it, I better go, because Colin's want to do a little video here, right? But yeah, talk. Palaver. So, thank you. Next time I'll bring you back, and I'll be cooking dinner, right? It'll be the cooking part.
No.
All mines. Right, that's the big Russian beast lit. I've stuck one of the fire logs in. Me and Ollie were actually down the beach, right? I got Ollie to chop the wood, right? So there's some logs that we've brung. They're on top to dry. We've got some down there as well, right? We've got some kindling. There's my glamorous assistant Marco with the light. Marco's the lighting man, right? I forgot my torch, but I always forget something, don't I? So we'll bring you back when we're cooking dinner. Get your votes in. Please vote for me. Don't vote for Colin.
Vote for me!
No, don't vote for Colin. I'll try not cook insipid food this time, right? So I'll bring you back, guys. Oh look! There's the window wipers gone. Woo! Oh, there's the stove gone, guys. I like the window wipers. Colin's tent. Marco's tent. Tons of wood here. What? Tons of wood that we could burn if we wanted to. Little stream. I like camping next to streams, I really do. You can't beat that, can you not? That sound. It is raining. We're chilling in the hot tent, sauna tent, whatever you want to call it. No smoke coming from out the top yet. There will be in a minute. Oh, there's some smoke lit. Choo choo! Choo choo! Right, dinner time, guys. I like your knife, Marco. That's what you call a knife, that. That's not a knife, that's a knife. And then Crocodile Dundee pulls that thing out. That's what you call a knife, mate. I do apologise for my bad Australian accent, right? My wife's Australian, Sarah, right? And Sarah will be like, my God, Stuart, you cannot speak Australian, mate.
That's right, mate.
That's really bad, right? I do apologise, right? Oh! With failure, but I do like that. It's nice and shiny. You've got a thing about cooking with knives. You've done that down the beach as well.
What else am I going to use?
I don't know, I've never seen anybody doing that except for Marco. You do it again with your knife, right? Show us. Look.
I just leave my water. I forgot a spoon.
I said that the other night there, didn't I, Colin?
I just like, just flip that over. That'll do.
Absolutely.
You were using a Bear Grylls one.
It's a multi-tool.
I left that in the car, I meant to get it.
Right.
Oh, you've got a...
You've left it in the car?
Must have escaped there.
The car is like 20 mile away from us. We hiked in here, honestly, with that big Russian beast. and the food. Colin's got his wheel. I'll wheelbarrow Colin in. Sorry, I forgot that person's. Do you remember that person's name, Colin? I'm murder with names.
Man, but he did say you'll soon be svelte. Is that the word? Svelte, which means kind of slim and thin.
Ah, that's. Colin's a lean, mean eating machine. I like your t-shirt, Colin.
Do you like it?
If only I knew somebody that had
Make sure you subscribe. Colin Russell, Scottish Wild Camper.
Colin's selling these t-shirts, right?
Yes.
So if only we knew somebody that could print some t-shirts for
Well,
us?
it just so happens.
Do we know somebody,
We
Colin?
do.
Do
Johnny
we?
explores Scotland.
Mm-hmm.
His father's got a t-shirt printing business. And I'm trying, for the life of me, I'm trying to remember the name of it. But look at that.
I'm sure Johnny will comment below and tell us
Sure
the
Johnny
name.
will.
Right. If Johnny comments, I'll pin it to the top, right? If you want to buy your
Somebody here
t-shirts,
sizzling.
I think.
I'm starting to hear a wee bit of sizzling.
what's it they are?
I think it's yours. Yes, yeah.
No, it's yours.
No, it's the both of them.
No, it's not. It's yours. Look, I can see the bubbles.
Oh, no, it's a wee
Yeah.
bit. Right.
Move
Colin.
that pan.
Colin's got some
Oh,
chorizo.
yes.
Right. We're actually that hot that we've got the door open, right? I won't lie.
Yeah.
It's so hot.
It's like
It
a
really
sauna
is
here.
summertime.
Oh, it's a sauna time.
It really is summertime, right? But it's only like 12 degrees in the
In the
afternoon.
summertime when the weather is rainy.
And the weather is hot. Is that not the drink drive advert? It used to be, wasn't it? Yeah, Colin doesn't drink, does he?
Oh no. Some people will think I like a drink. But
Colin,
at the
he
end of the
really
day,
doesn't, right? I'll be honest. Colin's
the
only
time
had
I
2
drink
beers.
is I'll come out camping. I'll have a
2
drink.
beers.
Right. I don't drink. At the end of the day, I've got 3 bottles of cider. Right. That's it.
Right.
I've no wine. I don't drink during the week. But at the end of the day, when I come out camping,
You're making this sound as if you're an alcoholic, Colin. See when?
some folk.
Right. See, this is what G said last week, right? I liked what G said. G looked round at Colin and went, "My God, Colin, you've only had 1 bottle of wine. I wish I got as drunk as you."
Exactly. But one bottle of wine, that does me.
I loved what G said. That was so funny.
We've got some steam coming.
So what we got? Lawn sausage.
We've got lawn sausage.
Got some mushroom.
We've got some black.
More steam, Captain. More steam. That was the Parahandy, wasn't it?
I thought we had a torch.
I feel it's
I've got it.
commandeered it.
Oh, right.
I'm just showing the food for guys. Yeah. I forgot my torch. I forgot everything. You know what I'm like. I remember the hot tent, so
That's the main thing.
Aye. To be fair, we can near use it of that.
I do like this big Russian stove.
Right, shine your torch in my
Oh, yeah, sorry.
frying
I'm
pan.
too busy talking palaver.
Yeah.
Right, so I better go so Colin can film, right? Just Colin. Behind the scenes of Colin Russell.
I was going to say what's cooking Colin's kitchen today, but Marco's cooking it at the moment.
You've got the
Right, Marco did buy his sausage from the butchers. Me and Colin did have the Malcolm Allen one. Sorry, I can't remember the guy that commented, but that's butcher's sausage there.
That's a real McCoy.
That's a heart attack in a pan, that, isn't it? Yeah. Look at it. See all the oil?
Puts hairs in your chest.
Oh yes, black pudding, fruit pudding, sausage.
Mushrooms. Chorizo sausage.
Yum yum yum. Right, Colin's got some firecracker chicken, black pudding, onions, haggis,
Chorizo sausage.
chorizo. He's got a mixed pot of everything
It's
there.
like a mixed grill.
Cheese as well.
Oh,
Num num
Oh,
num.
a bit of cheese in the top.
It's 11:30 at night, guys. It's early.
And it's eating time.
Right, Colin's eating his dinner. Right, he's on burger number 2. Marco. We won't discuss that, right? I've got chicken, noodles, and I've got some peppers to go in it. And I've got some sauce, right? So I'll bring you back. Oh, my dinner's cooking, look. Just a little joke. Right. Colin was videoing, right, but I wasn't sizzling, so I was making the sound effects. But actually, I think
It's getting light now.
You're actually making my breakfast.
it's actually 10 to 12, right? So We've got some chicken, we've got some peppers, some red onions, some white onions. Right.
It's all good.
I've got noodles. Noodles. It's an easy peasy dinner. And I've got that chow mein as the sauce, right? It's nothing as good as what Colin created, right?
Well, you know me.
Check Colin's video out, right?
Here what's in now.
Right.
You know I like my scran.
Yeah. I'm trying to go a bit healthier. I'm trying to cut the spam out, right? I did actually get a few comments asking for more spam, but I'm trying to not cook it, right? How's yours getting on, Marco?
Well, no comment.
Okay. You do know that Colin's going to eat that, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't like
Look,
waste.
he's
Oh.
munching in at the moment,
People
right?
starving in the world. People
Yeah.
starving in the world. But I'll tell you, that's not me.
We're in
I'll
this
never-
hot
I'll never
tent,
starve.
right? We've got the door open. I know somebody's going to comment and say it's summertime, sure, but it's Scotland. Summer here's like 10 degrees. You've got
Blowing
your,
the rain,
you've got your
wind.
tops off, right? It really is about 9 degrees at the moment. It was 12 degrees in the afternoon, right? But there we go, there's the joys. There, can you actually hear it sizzling? Look.
That's not. It's not with the vulgarities.
Right, I've got the chicken in, peppers in. I've added a bit of seasoning. Sizzle, sizzle.
That's all.
So noodles are next, and then I'll add in the sauce. That will be delicious.
Massive part of it. Again, look at that much,
Right, guys.
much bigger population.
So there we go, guys. I've got some noodles, some peppers. It might not look the best, but I'm sure it'll be lovely. Right. Peppers, red onions. I've got some, that sauce in it. I'm going to tuck into that. It's 5 past actually. I might let it cook for a bit longer.
5 past what?
5 past 12.
5 past 12.
So, as always, it's all nines. 1 o'clock in the morning, guys. I'm off to bed. There's the fire still burning away. Got a little log in. I'm going to leave that in overnight. I'll be nice and toasty inside the hot tent. The rain is still pouring, as you can hear. So, night, guys. Morning, 6 in the morning. Good sleep. Oh, I don't know when the fire went out, but I had a good sleep. It was nice and it was so warm, it really was. So even though I was lying, I could actually feel sweat droplets dropping off my head. But then obviously the fire's died out now. But it's so nice just to sleep in this hot tent. The last time I brought a separate tent, but this time I've actually slept inside the hot tent, just on the floor, like there. There's my pillow. There's my mat. Oh, I definitely think I should get the ground floor thing. I just used an actual tarp on the floor. I'll give you a look at that in a minute. One of those reflective foil things. But yeah, good night. Enjoyed that. Rained all night. You can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that water, but it sounds quite high. Good night, always a good night, and every camp's always different. Me, Marco and Colin had a good night, sitting chatting. There's what's left of my dinner. give you a look at that. There's the remainders of my dinner. I think I only had like a little bit. Had a couple of cookies as well, but lovely. So there's the sleep mat. I've got that reflective foil mat that you've probably seen a few times. Then I had like a camel tarp on the bottom. So there's the fire. The stove. But yeah, my actual is wet. I think the side of the side of the tent is quite wet, and obviously I think I was touching it during the night. I know that the pillow, my quencher pillow, or however you pronounce it, quencher. Just got a little cheap one there. Quencher, however it goes. Lovely pillow. Love that pillow. Outkit, cloud base mat. It's not a winter mat. I really should get a winter mat, but I wasn't cold. Absolutely not. I just did the sleeping bag over the top of me, like in the house, like a duvet type thing. Like a quilt. It's too hot. That's the actual cheapo Chinese one. But yeah, I definitely need to bring my hot tent out. I know people was going to laugh and say it's summer, Stuart, but honestly, our summer happened. See, during the lockdown, it was about 30 degrees back then. March, April. At the moment, it's not that warm. 12 degrees yesterday. It's perfect weather for a hot tent. It's supposed to be summer, but really the amount of rain that we've had is unbelievable during summertime. So, I don't know if you can hear the water. We've got a raging torrent. Brrr. There's a pheasant. Morning guys. One thing that I have found out about my tent is, right, can you see this? This is where the stove is, right? I'm taking the tent apart, but can you see it's got that flap, right, that covers the Velcro part, right? But over here we've got some kind of zip. I do not know what this zip's for, right? But we should have some kind of like flap over there, shouldn't we? Because during last night that was actually dripping. There was water coming through that, and it was dripping on Marco. I don't know why we've got that, but I think a flap over the top there would be better. The actual tent was dry. Good tent, does hold the heat, it really does, but that's probably one thing that I would fix is put a flap, or just don't have the zip. I don't really see the need for that zip, but there we go. Like it, I do like the window. Plenty of pull outs, as you say, look, if it was to be windy. Let's get the snow skirts or rain skirts, whatever you want to call them, on the bottom. There's the ash pan from the bottom of the stove. Not a lot of ash. And we were burning that all night. I don't know if you can see inside there, but it's definitely clean inside. Dispose of that, and I'll pack away the stovepipes. So that's me, I've packed the stove away. Colin's still in his bed, snoring away, he's getting his Zeds in. My tent was leaking a little bit, I will say, last night, and there's a few drips coming from somewhere. But it was pretty horrendous weather. Got a kind of drip coming from the top. And up there, look, as I said, look, see here, where the zip is. It seems to be dripping there as well. I was right over there, sleeping that way, along where the door is, where Marco's chair is as well. My tarp that was on the floor was kind of wet, so I probably should get that ground sheet for the tent. But good camp, enjoyed it, really fun, always is, good laugh. So tent's last to put away. I'll pack it, really quick to pack, it really is. As you can see, right, see where the corners are, look, here. If I can point, that's where the pole was. So the pole goes right over the top, right over. See it, there. So all you do is you zip it. On the outside, I'll take you and I'll show you. So you zip it, biff. It looks as if I've got a black eye, doesn't it? I'll give it a white. I think that's some soot from the fire. Look, my hands have got it. See it? From the stovepipe. But I'll give you a look at the zip. So 2 minutes and I should have the tent down. And then I'll fire it in the big bag and then we'll carry it out. Look, can you see that dripping? Look, see it? Dripping through. So there we go, look, you unzip it. Zip! And then the pole's inside, like that, look. And we've got that on this side as well. 2 poles. There we go. Look. So after I pack the tent up, that'll be us, we're gone. So I thank you for watching. If you could, give the video a thumbs up. But most of all, thank you for watching. That's the most important part. I thank you for watching, taking the time, and clicking on that button and watching. So, thank you. Oh, sorry, no tongue.